Aditi. Aditi has a store. She owns a store and she sells shampoos. Shampoo for hair. That is, she owns a store that is selling shampoos, different variety of shampoos. Now she has many customers and she buys large quantities of this shampoo from a woman. That is, this is Aditi. Aditi is buying a lot of stuff from a woman. Along with this, two men work for her. In her store, there are two men who are helping her to sell these shampoos and other stuff. So Aditi is doing what? She is helping the women, and she has also given job to two people. That is, she is helping other people to make money, to generate money. She is also creating jobs. She is also increasing jobs. That is, she is helping them, or you can say an entrepreneur. They help others to live better life. So they are running their business to help people. So customer, they have needs, they have wants, and they have demands. There are certain things which are really required. There are certain things which are moderately required, and there are certain things which are luxury. But still, people require it. And Aditi, like all these entrepreneurs, helps them to satisfy it. So first thing is, the entrepreneur fulfill customer needs. Customer means those who are going to buy your product and services. So demand coming from a customer, this means that a product or service, what people would want, they desire. Please remember what they want. So entrepreneur, they find out what they actually want, what people want. Then entrepreneur use their creativity to come up with a kind of business idea, BI, to meet that kind of demand in a very fruitful manner, in a creative manner, in a new manner. No, new means something very different manner. Second thing, entrepreneur, they will use local materials. For example, if somebody starts some business, if he is living in Delhi, he will not go to Tamil Nadu or Pondicherry to buy his stuff until the stuff is only available there. He will not go to Burma, he will not go to Bhutan. He will try to get the local materials, because the cheap the product will be. So the product can be produced at a lower cost if the materials are readily available, nearby available. So the usage of material, local material, so local people will get benefited. Those people, those who are living in the vicinity, they will get emancipated in their livelihood. Then the entrepreneur helps society. So entrepreneur, they are working with whom? They are actually solving the problem or meeting the demand of the society. So they have a positive relationship with the society. They are, no doubt, they are making profits. But with the activities which will benefit the society. Okay. Now if you see the people who are coming from the college right now, they know the importance of environment. They know global warming. They know carbon footprint. Previously, when people got passed out in 2000, they don't know about environment. Why? Because they were not taught in the school. So now the entrepreneur, they are not only looking for profits, they are also thinking of giving money, sharing their wealth for building schools, for building environments, for building hospitals. They're not talking about religion and caste and creed. So they're only interested in school and hospital. So they are working for the society. So eventually they are helping society. Whatever they are earning, they are sharing it for the betterment of the society. They want to uplift the society and the country. So what are the roles of entrepreneur? How they are affecting the society, or how the society is affected by the entrepreneur, presence of entrepreneur, different kind of entrepreneur. First is, the entrepreneur create jobs. One man cannot do everything by himself or herself. They need people around. They need people who can help. They need people who can guide. So with the growth of their business, the entrepreneur look for more people. First of all, they will buy material from local area. So they'll buy from shop or some people. Once the business grows, they will buy more stuff, more material. So all these people who are selling the material, they will get benefited. So they will hire, the entrepreneur will hire people also. That is, more and more job will be created. Job creation also is one of the tasks. Next is sharing of wealth. It's not always possible that a person who has started a business, he will get all the money. It is shared. If you talk about Adani and Ambani, they are the richest people of Asia and even top 10 in the world. But when they are getting benefited, the country is getting benefited, the people are getting benefited, everyone. So people are earning because of them, because of the good entrepreneur. Because entrepreneur, when their business grow, the people who are working from them, who are employed, they also grow. Actually, everything which is related to business, they grow. Cycle will change to scooter, scooter will change to car, like this. Okay, so they will live a better quality life. The quality of life will be better. And then low price of products. Now, if you see that if one person is selling something, say in your area, there's only one person who is selling something. So you have to buy. You don't have any other option. But if 4 people are selling the same product, that means if somebody is selling in 100, the other is selling in 90, 80, 70, so everyone has to come down to 70 if the quality is same. So if more people, more companies are selling the same stuff, the prices will be lesser because of the competition amongst the company, competition amongst the entrepreneur. Okay. So what is the role of entrepreneur in society? Let us see by the Bharti story. So this was the example of lower price of products, less price. If you go outside, you'll see Walmart and Costco. They are giving in very cheap price the products. Now she is Bharti. I don't know whether she is Bharti or not, but just assume that she is Bharti. She is a young woman from Bihar. Actually, she is a jewelry queen. What does it mean being a jewelry queen? Because she works in the field of making jewelry. Bihar is a very famous state. Most of the IAS come from Bihar in India. You might have heard about Khan sir from Bihar, Patna. So now, many of the girls of her vicinity, of her area, they love to wear earrings. Every woman loves to wear earrings. So what she does? She buys jute from a farmer. So this is the picture showing the jute, a farmer working with the jute. So now she is making the earrings from jute, a very natural material and very fine kind of earrings. The name of company is Manavi Natural Handicrafts. She hires 2 women. But because the order are so high, because first of all, jute, earring, they don't match, but still she is doing it. So now people are, by 2 hands, they're accepting it. Now she because of the higher demand, she is taking more jute from the farmer, and she has now given job to more women. So because of her, because of Bharti, the jute farmer is benefited. The women whom she is hiring, they are also getting benefited. So in all the ways, she is helping the society by starting a business. Jute is patsan in Hindi, patsan. So everyone in the chain is benefited. Though this is true that Bharti is also benefited, but all other people are also in the chain. So there are certain questions which arises. Let us see here. What demand did Bharti identify in her village? So we see what she finds in the vicinity, neighborhood. She found that the girls in her area liked to wear earrings. Girls in her area like to wear earrings. If a girl wear a earring, they become more beautiful. You might have seen that. What is the local resource that Bharti used? Now the local thing is jute. Jute is easily available. Jute is also there in the market. How is Bharti helping her village grow? Not even the village, but the people, but the other people in the market. So by buying jute from the local farmer, now they are earning more money. The farmer are getting benefited. And also, she is providing jobs to local women whom she is hiring for the job. So both are the correct answer. How is she creating more jobs? First, by providing jobs to local women, that is absolutely true. By buying the jute from local farmers, this is also true. First is incorrect. By selling earrings to women without a job, this is incorrect. But if you try to find out the correct answer, farmers are getting benefited, no doubt, but we are talking about jobs. So she is providing jobs to the local women, okay?